Okay guys, welcome to watch out the videos. This video we will recommend to you is very regular ones, low power, solo Wi-Fi Bluetooth cameras. And this is about hard sale because there's a lot of customers of bring up too much of a convenient to us of daily life. Okay, so now you take a look at the service of the box. We got no electricity required and no wire needed. And two-way audio intercom can be spoken. Remote surveillance, protect the privacy, and human induction, and simple installations. So let's check it out with the box. Open up the top. Check it out with the side. Okay, here's the rack here, and this is device, and an antenna with the package of screws and screwdrivers. So take it up the pop off. Now check it out this device. And your service consists of the solar panels. And look at the face. Rest of the face as above, PRR, and here is the lens. To the right is photosensor, photoresist, and a building with a microphone. And to the left side, I got a QR code. You use your phone, scanning the QR code, and take control by your mobile phone with this device. And look at the back, the behind. Okay, it's got the screws. Right now, we keep this antenna straight and connect antenna and fasten it. Keep it firmly and bend it to 90 degrees. Okay, something like this. So, and at the back, you have this cover, and you can see over the cover, it got a tag pull, or pull out the tag easily. And if to open this cover, we can see this rubber protection. This rubber protection is made with waterproof, to prevent from the water coming into the battery box or in this snort. So here is battery box, consists of the two batteries. If you cannot get the sun, energy from the sun, you can recharge at home with the batteries. It also can last a long time. And here we have different of snort. This snort consists of USB TF card and the turn off and turn off, and API Wi-Fi. So USB was of many connect with the solar panels, especially when it's easy installations of the outside of a home, outside the resident, fish pond, any kind of the place. Yeah. The chip and the SD card was also many protective the privacy, especially where someone was breaking in your home and can keep it security to your resident and can you got a recording your voice, recording some VCR, can download storage in this SD card. Yeah. And here is restart buttons. Now use a very small pins, a little press. This is restart. Turn on and turn off the button. And meanwhile, this side, the light will turn on from the red blink to the blue blink. That means you can operations or work successfully. And after that, use a mobile phone, download the Tuya app, and scanning QR code. Put into the password, can connect, and your mobile phone will appear with QR code also at the same time. You need face-to-face connect to each other for identification. Yeah. So, and for the rack, we also match with the accessories of screws, the rack, and the screwdriver. You can install it outside. For example, this is a sheet, this is board. Yeah. Put the screws in the board and fix up the outside any place you want it. So now you can see this type of cameras. A pervasive these features, for one thing, you can take anywhere, especially home, the outside, no wires, only Wi-Fi and 4G is okay. And the second one it was waterproof. Yeah. You can, especially for some raining weather and some unpredictable weather and some very any kind of the worst weather. Okay, so here are today's of the brief introductions of these Boolean cameras. Any kind of questions, feel free to contact with us. We will answer your confusing technical problems as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.